What's swinging, guys? It's Carlo here. Today we're going to be doing the fire alarm test, I promise, but I've just realised that it'll scare Fitz a lot, so yeah, like I'm not gonna do the ones downstairs here. I want to, but yeah, I'll do a recording of this one and then the one in there in my living room a different day, guys, cause I don't want to scare Fitz. The one up here won't be that bad of sound thing for people saw issues already, guys. So yeah, we're just gonna quickly so it'll also, guys, yeah, like yeah, just something to tell you guys, I'm gonna be getting a smoke detector in my bedroom soon because my call point there lost the key for it a while back, can't find any replacement, so it's either gonna be there, just next to my light thing, and then if I get one, but anyways, guys, let's get ready for this. Prepare for it to be a little bit loud. We're going to just press it once. So if she's ready, only one test. Right, so yeah, that's one there, but let me think of it. Should I do the one downstairs or not? I don't really want to scare Fitz, but yeah, so I'll say, unless Fitz is in the kitchen and we shut the door or stuff, I'm not going to do the ones downstairs, sorry guys. But at once, if I can get this thing where it won't scare Fitz, I'll get one off testing all three. But this is just testing the one upstairs for today because of it, guys. But anyways, since this is it, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.